Hello, beautiful souls. Hey, I am jumping on here real quick because with the Jupiter-Neptune conjunction in Pisces coming up Tuesday, April 12th, I'm getting a lot of messages from people that are feeling the shift. They're feeling the energy change. They're feeling something calling to them, and they know that they're ready to uncover more of their life's path, purpose, divine calling, but really not sure how to even start or get access to that. So I want to share with you my Awaken Your Life Force digital course. This course is absolutely life changing, spirit changing, experience changing, all of it. And I just haven't had enough time to really get it out to the masses the way that I would like to. So I am telling you now that if you're feeling a calling, if something's stirring in your cells, if you're ready to go quantum, I am taking lifetimes as a healer, and especially the past 20 plus years as a trauma-informed healing artist, and I'm sharing with you how you can actually transform your experience and release the trauma from your cells so that you can rediscover the source within. The conduit to all of the divinity and the infinite light bodies, the star systems, the cosmos, is our cells. And our cells have been so suppressed and repressed and traumatized and muted in this culture, in the programming, in the mindsets, the belief systems, and in the actual traumas that we go through as humans. And this course takes you step by step, going further quickly into how you get to manage your energy, how you get to be the creator of this experience for yourself, and how you access that transformation. It doesn't come from outside of you. It doesn't come from someone else doing it for you, even though that's a wonderful adjunct to go and get healing work done with people. When you literally empower yourself to enact the fluidity and the flow that we were meant to be here in and to live with, and to know how to create that transformation as we move through the fluctuations of life. And as these energies continue to get bigger, then grounding the timelines happens when we are fully inhabited in our bodies. And that is the entire course. I am taking you through guided meditations, through learning how to be in your embodied consciousness. I'm taking you through how to actually unwind traumas from the cells and from the myofascial complex and the cellular structure. I'm taking you into pelvic bowl actuation and manifestation, which is your life force energy. I'm taking you through so many meditations. I know I said that already, but also a full meditation challenge that literally changes people's lives when they commit to it. So in this course, we go deeper together, and we move through any questions, any resistance that comes up as we move into higher ascended places within our physical experience. So if you're feeling that, the investment in this course is so worth it when it is utterly life-changing. Everyone that has taken this course, I have watched them dramatically shift their experience into taking full leaps into the unknown and risks that they've been marinating and sitting with for so long in their life. So if you have questions about it, please let me know. But I just want to share with you a way that you get to empower your experience by learning these tools and techniques, the way that you get to manage your energy and integrate the full light acceleration on the planet. And you get to be a part of the rebuilding of this new earth from love and abundance and benevolence. So check it out. You can find out more on my website at therawandwildhearts.com. You'll have a link somewhere around here below or above. Just it's a spiral dimension. Find the link somewhere here and let me know if you have questions. I'm so happy to answer them. And this is a wonderful time to begin this quantum leaping journey. Awaken Your Life Force digital course. It will be the most profound experience probably in your human life yet. Peace and love. Mwah.